Hey everyone, so today I'll be sharing my updated wash and go. So I just finished deep conditioning my hair, and I actually used bentonite clay to shampoo my hair this time around, and it was amazing. You guys probably saw my previous video on my bentonite clay treatment. It really defined my curls and moisturized my hair. So now I'm just sectioning off my hair and creating a side part for my wash and go. So working on this back section first, I'm going to take my plastic cap and put it on the rest of my hair while I work on the back section. The plastic bag helps to keep the moisture in. So I'm just going ahead and spraying the back section with some water. I like to work on soaking wet hair when I'm doing my wash and go. I feel like I get the best results when my hair is soaking wet. Just smoothing that water through and adding more as needed. Next, I'm following up with Eco Styler's leave-in conditioner and also my favorite Cantu coconut curling cream. And I'm actually going to mix these two together. I don't know why nobody told me that this combo was so bomb, but it's amazing. So I'm just adding the leave-in to my coconut curling cream, and once I'm happy with the amount, I'm going to mix the two together. This combo is so light and creamy. It's literally like butter for your hair. My hands just glide right through my hair. I don't even have to finger detangle or use a comb. My hands are just gliding through. So that's what my hair looks like after the buttery mix is applied. Next, I'm following up with the EcoStyle Black Castor Oil Gel and applying a generous amount to that back section and really working it in from roots to ends. Going in with a little bit more water because I want my hair to be really wet for this, and smoothing that in. Singling out any pieces that look a little bit frizzy and adding a little bit more gel to them. And this is what that section is looking like so far. Moving on to the next section, making sure it's soaking wet with my spray bottle. Adding my buttery mix together and applying it to the hair. I'm raking and smoothing the product into my hair. And that's what my hair is looking like so far. Going in with the Eco Gel and raking and smoothing it into my hair. And this is how defined my curls are with all of those products in. Moving on to the front, and you guys know, same thing, soaking down the hair with my spray bottle, mixing the two products together and adding it to my hair. Singling out any pieces that need to be defined. Last section, wetting that section, getting those ends, and applying my buttery mix. Adding the gel to help with definition and shine. And then that's it. So this is what my hair looks like after all the products have been added to my hair. I do like to give my hair a little bit of a shake just to separate the curls. And that's the back. Here's a close-up. And I kind of just go in and look for any pieces that may look a little bit frizzy. So this section right here is a little frizzy, so I'm just going to add a little bit of gel and smooth that through. Once the gel is added, it looks like this. So I went ahead and sat under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes, and this is what my hair looks like. As you can see, my hair is quite uneven. There's a lot of hairs that poke out, so I'm actually going to go ahead and do a mini Deva cut. So this is what the side looks like, very crazy. Hair is poking out all over the place. I'm going to fix that up today. And here's the other side. So what you want to do is shake your hair so it falls naturally. And then you can kind of see where you want to cut. So I'm literally just cutting the little pieces that are sticking out, and you will see what a difference it makes shaping your hair. So all the little hairs that are sticking out, I just carefully clip them off. And I'm not taking off much at all. I would suggest that you look in the mirror to do this because you don't want to cut off too much or make a mistake. So I'm just going in and lightly cutting any hairs that are a little bit too long. And as I do this, I shake and fluff my hair. So I did the mini Deva cut all the way around my head, and this is what it looks like now. And this is what it looked like before. My hair looks so much better. I'm so much happier with it. I hated wearing wash and goes before because my hair was so uneven. So this is what the side looked like before. And this is what the side looks like now. Huge difference. So this is all the hair I cut. I didn't cut much at all. And the next day I slept with a bonnet and I decided to stretch out my hair. I wanted a heart shape, so I left the top out. And I'm just using my hot treatment oil to separate my curls and fluff. So this is what my hair looks like after it's been stretched. My hair is super soft, there's no flakes, no product buildup or anything like that. My hair dried clear. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you are.